Brace yourselves, folks. Hurricane Helene is on a collision course with Florida. Hurricane Helene is barreling towards Florida's Gulf Coast as a menacing Category 4 storm. The potential for a catastrophic and deadly storm surge is real, with waves possibly reaching up to 20 feet. Governors in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina have declared states of emergency. Mandatory evacuations are underway in low-lying areas of several Florida counties. Right now, Helene's packing 85 miles per hour winds and is about 460 miles southwest of Tampa. It's expected to intensify rapidly before slamming into Florida's Big Bend region. This is serious, folks. Stay informed, stay safe, and follow all local orders.